Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start where the braid meets your scalp. Expose the knot bases by clipping away surrounding hair, then apply a penetrating oil or conditioner directly to each braid for 10 to 15 minutes. You do this to loosen residue and adhesive so the removal is controlled. Once the product is soaked in, pat dry with a towel and test one braid. If it loosens, move on. If not, reapply and wait a little longer so you avoid tugging and breakage. You now work methodically, one braid at a time. Hold the natural hair near the scalp to protect it, then use a tail comb to tease apart the extension from your own hair. If the extension is braided into natural hair, use small scissors to trim extension fiber a ½ inch away from the knot, never cut at the root. Once the bulk is removed, gently unroll the remaining extension with your fingers, making sure to keep steady. Low tension to prevent pulling out your natural strand. You finish by thoroughly cleansing the scalp to remove leftover oil and adhesive. Shampoo twice using your fingertips to massage, then rinse. Once clean, apply a deep conditioner for 15 to 30 minutes and detangle from ends to roots with a wide-tooth comb. Make sure to support the hair near the scalp as you work. If you hit stubborn tangles, stop, add oil or conditioner, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then gently work through the knot in small sections to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.